Let's begin this religion lesson. We're going to just use this booklet today, and we're going to look at what we were doing over the past few days. We talked about God's family, and for Catholics, we have the sacrament of baptism, and that's when we become members of God's family. And I went ahead and colored that to show the baby being baptized. So today, we are going to talk about the church, okay? So the church is a building, but it's more than that. It's about us and who we are as Catholics. The church is God's house on earth, and through the church, we learn how to follow Jesus. So you're going to need your glue stick and your scissors, because today we're going to help build a church here on this page. And I want you to see how I'm doing this. I'm going to cut off the top part, but leave the bottom part connected. Okay, so you can turn this part back in, and you're just going to cut off these. So do you see how I kind of cut almost like a square out so I can have all of these pieces here to help me build the church? I can put my crayon box right here, and that'll help me keep me from losing anything. So for instance, this piece right here is the roof, right? You can see the roof tile. And I think this shape is called, I want to say a rhombus. Nope, not a rhombus. This is a trapezoid, okay? So that I'm going to put right there so I don't lose it. There's some windows right here. So this is like a puzzle, okay? So I'm going to very carefully cut around these. Okay, again, I'm going to put these right here in my crayon box so I don't lose them. There's another window right here. Okay, and this is a stained glass window. So a lot of times, I know we can't go inside the church right now, but when you do go inside the church, you'll see that when the sun comes through the stained glass windows, it'll put colors on the floor and reflect colors on the pews in the church. Okay, so this part right here, I think, is part of the bell tower on the top of the church. I think that one's going to go right there because there's a circle there. So I'm going to put this right here, and then here's the top of the bell tower right here, and this one's the bell right there. So I'm going to cut out this triangle shape right here. I know it's a lot of little pieces, so make sure when you cut them, you put them in your crayon box so that you don't lose them. So a lot of times if you're not careful about where you put things, you lose them. And then since you're not at school with me, I can't get an extra piece for you, okay? So I'm putting that one right there. And then this one has the cross on it. Remember, there's God is three persons: the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. So the cross is usually the sign used for Jesus the Son. Jesus, God the Son. Okay. We learned about God the Holy Spirit can be represented by a dove. Sometimes it can be represented by the candle flame. And then God the Father is represented by a loving heart, right? Okay, so now I have the doors cut out. Okay, so I'm going to put this, that's trash. The scissors are aside. Okay, so now this is when I'm going to take out my glue stick, and I'm going to go ahead and glue these down. Okay, so first I'm putting the doors. Okay, so I'm putting the doors, glue those on. Now for my windows, I'm going to put a little bit of glue behind it. I don't want my church to stick to the page, so if I put glue right there, if I put glue around the white spot right there, it might cause the pages to stick together, and I don't want my pages to stick together. Okay, so right here goes a window. Okay, put that here. I'm going to glue on this triangle, which is the top of our bell tower. Okay, and in this little spot right there, let me see if I can find the piece. Here it is, right here. That's the little bell that goes in there. Okay. All right, now I have This is the part that goes right under the bell tower. Okay. And in that white circle, that's where I'm going to put the little cross of Jesus on there. Okay. I know, this is a little bit delicate, so if you need to get help from someone in your family, that's okay. Okay, or if someone you're with, if you ask for their help, I'm sure they'll be happy to help you with this. Okay, so that was a little bit of work, but when you're done, it's well worth it, because look, you just built a church, okay? And then just give yourself an exit ticket right up here, and then you're all done. So I hope you enjoyed building God's house on earth today, boys and girls.